Hi there. I heard you're learning English. How's it going?
Hi. Yes, I am. It's a bit challenging, but I'm trying my best. Do you have any tips on how to learn English effectively?
Absolutely. First, it's important to practice speaking English as much as possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice with friends or join conversation groups.
That sounds like a good idea. But what if I don't have anyone to practice with?
No worries. You can practice speaking by talking to yourself in English. Describe things around you or have imaginary conversations. It might feel strange at first, but it helps improve fluency.
That's an interesting suggestion. Any other tips?
Yes, reading is also crucial for learning English. Start with simple books or articles and gradually increase the difficulty. Look up words you don't understand and try to use them in sentences.
I'll definitely give that a try. What about listening skills?
Listening to English podcasts, watching movies, or listening to the songs in English can be really helpful. You can start with slower-paced content and gradually move to faster ones.
That makes sense. But sometimes it's hard to catch everything they say. What should I do?
It's completely normal to miss some words. Focus on understanding the overall message rather than every single word. With time and practice, your listening skills will improve.
All right, I'll keep that in mind. Any tips for improving my writing skills?
One way is to start a journal in English. Write about your daily activities or anything that interests you. It will help you practice sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary.
That's a great idea. Lastly, what about grammar?
Learning grammar is important, but don't get too caught up in it at the beginning. Start with basic grammar rules and gradually build your knowledge as you progress.
I'll take it step by step then. Thanks for all the helpful advice.
You're welcome. Remember, consistency is key. Practice a little every day, and you'll see improvement over time. Good luck with your English learning journey.
Thank you so much. I'll do my best.